We camping out on the Dragon into Speed. Gonna have a hell of a sunrise tomorrow morning. Well, later this morning, I guess. It is about 2 a.m. So yeah. Got my breakfast ready to go for tomorrow. Some water. Now, gonna get some sleep. Need to go tomorrow morning to whatever auto parts store is nearby, because I think I'm leaking a bit of brake fluid. Every time I go around a turn, the level, or the brake light comes on in the dash. I'm hoping once I add fluid, it'll be a little bit better, but I kind of got a feeling there's already air in the lines, which kind of sucks, because I can't really brake as hard as I want to, but maybe that's a good thing, because then I'm kind of forced to pace myself. So, gonna get a couple hours of sleep, hit up the auto parts store. I'm planning to be here or in the area all day tomorrow. Then we'll see what happens after that. So, peace out. See y'all in the morning. So, I was planning this trip down here like weeks in advance. I found out like literally Wednesday that there's going to be a Miata event, so I figured, maybe a couple dozen Miatas. More than a couple dozen Miatas as far as the eye can see. I think it's called Miatas the Dragon or something, but over here by the Fontana Dam, the Fontana Resort, and they just got stacks and stacks of them. Which, hey, I'm about it. Every corner you turn, there's more Miatas. Alright, I gotta go find some lunch. I'm starving. I haven't had a proper meal in like 48 hours. Hello. You're not a Miata. Neither are you. Just had something of a photo shoot sesh down by Fontana Dam, so I didn't get much video recording, but once I get all the pictures developed, I'll throw them into the video, throw a couple up on the Instagram too, so I definitely recommend checking that out, because I think some of them are going to come out really nice. Look at that! More Miatas. There you go. Pop in the Killboy store. It's kind of the rule when you come down to Tail the Dragon. One of these things is not a Miata. There we go. Alright. I'm gonna make my way back towards civilization. Get some actual real food this time. And yeah, continue on my journey. This is just one stop for me. So the reason I'm here on my own is I'm actually driving out to see my family, but making a bit of a detour. Well, a lot of a detour, but well worth it.